Yeah.
Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
Good.
Hi.
Hi. Hi Dia. Good to see you back, Dia. Hi Ashwin. Hi Vidyut. Nice to see you.
Hi.
How was your travel?
It was pretty good. It was real.
Good. You're sleepy.
Yeah.
You're good to attend.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm glad. Dia Swarit. Hey guys, video guys. Sorry, I have to leave the camera off. Okay. Anish noted. Hi Dia. Good to see you. How was your vacation? Did you have a good vacation, Dia?
Yeah.
Nice. Swarit, where are you, Swarit?
I'm here.
Okay. Okay. Were you able to catch up on the homework?
So the linear system, the 8 problems, I tried to open it with Cami, but it didn't work.
Really? No, why did you open it with Cami?
Because that's what I always do it on, and it works, but for some reason this time it's not working.
Yeah, then you should have asked me, right?
Yeah.
You can download it. You can download it as a PDF. That's not an issue at all, right?
Yeah, but how am I gonna edit it? That's my problem.
You have to write it in a piece of paper. Your notebook, math journal only you will have to solve.
Okay.
You're not going to solve these things in Cami, Swarit.
Okay.
One second, let me get my writing pad. How are you guys? Okay, so 3 variable. Some of you have not submitted, I saw. Okay, let me quickly go. Anish, were you able to go over that, Anish?
Homework?
Hmm.
Yes, I did the homework.
Was it easy, ma?
Yeah, the book was easy. So was
What, Amma?
the paper sheet in the book was easy, but I didn't have time to do a 4.6. 5.6, sorry.
Oh, I see. That's okay. Ritisha, how was it? Okay, looks like what was good for you. Vidyut, how was it for you?
I just tried my best on it, and the 5.4 and 5.6 I left back in Miami. So next week I can submit it.
No problem. As long as you do it, it's enough for me. Johan, looks like you're also good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. Anish, for you, did you understand, Amma?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. Okay. Some of it I don't see work, but I hope you have understood.
I did the work in my journal.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, which is still okay for me. But for some of you, I really don't know what is going on. Let me ask you. Anish, okay. But let me tell you. Okay, Arman, Dia, Sham, what happened? Swarit, Sham is in. Okay, okay, okay. Dia, did you try these, ma?
I submitted the 5.4 and 5.6 right now.
Oh, okay. Okay, so you're trying to catch up, huh?
Yeah, I didn't do the other one because I only came back yesterday.
Yeah, I get it, ma. No problem. That your mom already told me clearly. Okay, Siddharth submitted his homework, Sham, but he is not in here. Johan, did you have a question on those 5.4, 5.6?
No.
So it was easy on you?
Yeah.
Okay, good to know. Okay, the infinite solutions, several of you have explained it clearly, but did you understand? Johan, did you understand the infinite solutions piece?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay. How about you with Ashwin Gautam, right? My only problem is I don't clearly understand your workout, but as long as you understand, I am fine.
Yeah, I understood.
You understood very well, meaning it's not like if you understand, I'm fine. It's not for me you're doing,
No,
right?
I got it very well.
Okay, okay. That's what I
Mhm.
want to know. So I'm giving you I'm giving it to you.
Alright.
Okay. Anish, did you understand those word problems well?
The word problems inside the book.
5.4 and 5.6.
I didn't have time to do 5.6, but I did 5.4.
Oh yeah, one exercise is missing, right? Okay, that's fine. Still okay.
But I understood that other from that.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Vidyut, your mom has already given me. Your mom or you have given me feedback on that. Okay, good. Okay, 5.4 and 5.6, right? Now let's go ahead. This weekend. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go ahead. 5.5 is something hard. Okay. 5.4. Okay. You know, guys, I really want to give you more word problems to see where we are. But I can try working on equations like this with you. Let's see. Mm, let's do these. How about these? Okay. Okay, how about this? Let's say one second. Let me share my screen for you. I would like to review the word problems first, okay? And then I would also like to do new ones, okay? New ones first, let's do. And then I'll go back to our alchemist. How was alchemist coming along? I want to check. But If you spend too much time, I will lose time as well. Take your time. Alchemist means, see, getting a 99 is always hard. Understand that, okay? It involves a lot of time and effort, okay? So the intent is, please don't leave it when you get the blue bar. Okay, 98 or a 99 is great. Okay. Okay. So, Johan, how are we on the alchemist thing? Were you able to do certain things?
You need to add me to your class thing, I think.
Yeah, but it's not required. Did you see? Without that, you can
No,
proceed.
I don't know how to.
You don't know how to do what?
How to like go to the thing in Alchemist.
Oh, you don't know yet?
Yeah.
You have a login?
Yeah, I have an account.
Do you want to share the screen and show? We'll help you. Okay, first let's see. First, let's see this one, please. First, let's see this one, and then we'll go there. Okay. You're able to see the problem on the board. What is this? This is so hard to see the problem itself. It's very hard, right? See, one nice way of doing this is, see, this also has 1 by x, this has 1 by y, this has 1 by x, this has 1 by y, right? So can I substitute nicely 1 by x equal to, let's say, a, 1 by y equal to b. If I do substitution, everything becomes easy. See here, this gets converted to 3a minus 2b equal to minus 7 by 2. Now, 6a plus 4b equal to 9. Can we solve this quick? And can you let me know your answers? What is answers for x and y, not a and b? Let me see. Are you able to do it, guys? And I really wanted to revise what problems I told you, right? Let me see. Mm. Go ahead and do. I'll get you the problems. Let's see. Say yes. Put this. Okay, let's do these guys. Go ahead. Mm-hmm. You're able to see the problem on the board, right? 3a minus 2b equal to minus 7 by 2. I really want x. I really want the value of x and y, not a and b.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
1 second. Whoa. Each of you have different answers. I'm a little off. No, Ritisha, that's not correct. Diya, did you solve for A and B or X and Y?
X and Y.
Uh, that doesn't seem right. Why? That is right, Johan. Johan, are you finding it easy, Johan?
Not really. I can figure it out.
What, ma?
Not really, but I can figure it out.
Oh, good. But are you getting overwhelmed?
What?
Are you getting overwhelmed with the intensity, with how difficult it is?
No.
Okay. You're able to manage?
Yeah.
Okay, good to know. Okay, guys, I do see some gaps. Ritisha, are you redoing it?
Yeah, I think do I have to remove the, like, I only take the denominator, or do I have to take the whole fraction that I got from A and B?
I don't understand your question, honestly. Vidyut, you being so silent, I thought you slept off.
No, no, I'm
Good,
doing
good.
it like I just messed up on like one of the last steps, so I'm redoing it.
No problem. Redo. Anish, where are we?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. As soon as I see this, right? 3 and 6. Can I multiply the entire equation by 2? So that way, I'll get 6a minus 4b equal to minus 7. 6a plus 4b equal to 9. Oh, wow. What is that? So when I add both the equation, 12a equal to 2, a will be equal to 1 by 6. If a is 1 by 6, x is 6. Now, if x is 6, right, what happens? Plug it in to this equation. 6 means 1 by 2. When it goes to the side, minus 8 by 2 becomes minus 4. So minus 2 by y equal to minus 4. So what happens? Y equal to y equal to 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. That's it. If you have any questions, raise up, guys. Auntie, this was difficult. That was difficult. It's important. I am thinking your class is good.
Hey, Auntie,
Yeah, go ahead.
I think I messed up with the signs because I got a negative 1/2 for the B.
Where did you get messed up? Are you solving these two equations with youth?
Yeah.
You're solving those two equations. Then where are you getting messed up? I'm wondering. See, you should have gotten this right. Then you
Yeah.
add both the equations, right? 9 minus 7 is a 2. 6 plus 6 is a 12a, right?
Yeah.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
So then why? A equal to 1 by 6 only, right? X will be equal to 6.
Mhm.
Where
I
did
I did substitution.
you
And
did see, when you do substitution, it'll all be fractions, right?
yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to make your life harder. No, did you get it?
Yeah, now I got it.
Okay, let's try a few more. How about I really want something. Let's say square roots you should be able to solve, but one bit. Okay, how about this? Okay, suppose if I have, hmm, let's see this one. This is not hard, guys. Substitute initially itself, meaning square root of a plus square root of b will be equal to root 37. Square root of a equal to 2 square root of b plus 10. If I give you these two equations, you have to make your life easy. Don't have square roots and fractions. Those are not going to help. So what can I do? What substitution can I make here? What substitution can I make here? What substitution can I make here?
It's just square root of a, so maybe plug that into the first equation. So 2 square root b plus 10 equals,
Yeah, yeah.
plus
Yeah,
10
perfect.
square root.
I like that idea, Vishnuram. Okay, let's go with that idea. But before that, do you want to make the equation look better? I don't want to work with square roots. What can I do?
You can square equation.
Square both sides.
If Ritisha, I like the idea, but then if you square both sides, what would happen? This would become a plus b plus, it will become even more complicated. 2 square root of a plus 2 square root of b, right? Because, see, if you square, let's say 2 plus 3,
No, like after you substitute, you'd substitute first and then
what do you want to substitute?
substitute a square with 2 root b.
Okay, I like it. Let's follow then Vishnu Ram's idea. Square root of a will be equal to 2 square root of b plus 10. So you're going to substitute, plug in this here, right? When you plug in that, 2 square root of b plus 10 plus square root of b equal to 37. Now these two will get added to this, plus 10 equal to 37.
You wrote 3 square root of 10 instead of b.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. 3 square root of b. Now, here 3 square root of b will
It's
be equal to
27.
27. Now, again, let me divide by 3. Make it very simplified. Square root of b equal to 9. Now, square both sides. Yes, I like that idea.
B is
will be
81.
81. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
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 Plugging in this becomes 9, right? Square root of a plus 9 equal. Swarit, are we following Swarit?
Yeah.
Okay. A will be. Anish, are we following?
Yes.
Okay. Sham, you're good, Sham?
Yes.
Okay. Can I go ahead? Yeah, that was the difficult one actually. Those two are difficult. See, meaning as soon as you see equations, don't get bogged down. It's not that hard. You can make, okay, if I were you, what I was expecting, I'll tell you. I have to tell you what I was expecting, but that never came up. That's okay. I would replace square root of a as, let's say, x, square root of b as y. So I would like to see my equations to look a little better. So x plus y equal to 37. X will be equal to 2y plus 10. Now I can substitute. I feel good about these rather than working like this. But it's okay. Each of us are different. See, when I plug that in, right? 2y plus 10 plus y equal to 37. 3y will be equal to 27. Y will be equal to 9. Now I substitute it back. Y will be 9 means square both sides. B will be equal to 81. After I use B will be equal to 81, right? Y equal to 9 means X will be equal to 28. So X will be equal to 28. Square both sides. A will be equal to 28 square. Make sense? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
Anish, are you following?
Yes.
Okay. How about this? I'll give you a problem, guys. I just want to see if you don't know, it's really okay. We'll do a lot more of this for you to become solid on this, then only I'll move on. So if you don't get it, you don't have to be very disappointed. Okay. It is hard. It is hard. Algebra one book, the current book that we're following is, but at the same time, you will have very solid fundamentals after we finish the unit. Let's try this one. If you want me to do the equations, I'll definitely do. But I want to see how many of you are able to do. If you are not able to do, doesn't matter. Please don't think like, oh, I have to do. No. Good, Sham. Solve that.
I sent my answer.
Yes, Anish. Wow. Anish, did you frame equations?
Huh?
Good job, Dia. Did you frame equations, ma?
Yeah.
Sham, good. Very nice equations.
You
Can you
have
send your equations, Sham and Dia?
Okay.
what?
We'll do a few word problems. Hey, I would not really, Vishnuram. Not really, Vishnuram. Anish, I would like to see your equations.
I didn't do equations.
Ah, that's a problem. Okay, how about you, Dia? Did you do equations?
Yeah.
Can you send the equations now?
Okay.
I can try to.
Done. Ashwin, did you get it, Ashwin?
Not really, Auntie.
Okay, let me go ahead and do for you. Some of you have not solved it. Some of you are doing. I saw Sham's equation, but I did not see Vishnuram. Can you send your equations? Dia, can you send your equations? Yes, Dia, that's good.
I sent my equations. Teacher?
Yeah, Anish, I'm looking at it. Good job, Anish. Using this only you need to solve. You got it?
Okay.
Yeah, that is quite important. Study.com. Yeah. Let's see. J's father is twice as old as J. So father is equal to twice as old as J. So let's define our variables. J's age, F is father's age. Right? So in that case, father is 2J. In 20 years, F will turn F plus 20, J will turn J plus 20. However, J will be 2/3 as old as his father. J is 2/3 as old as his father. Ashwin, did you get that?
Yeah, now I get it. I think I was
Your,
like three equations and I came like close. Yeah.
Oh, I see. I didn't put like the plus 20. That's my problem.
Yeah, see that's where everybody trips. Okay, plus 20 is required for both if you calculate 20 years after. Now 4j by 3 and then 40 by 3 will be equal to j plus 20. Now, something feels wrong to me though. Yeah, no, 20 minus
it's right.
40 by 3 will be equal to 4j by 3 minus j. So here,
Or Miss Priya, you could have removed the what's it? The
I agree.
denominator first.
I like that idea. Can I go back? I like Kritisha's idea. She's saying instead of making it as fractions here, why confuse? Yeah, we don't want to confuse ourselves, right? This will work anyhow, meaning both ways will work, but the easier way is take out the fraction. How? Multiply by 3 by 2, multiply by 3 by 2. That's what you said, right, Ma?
Yeah. Or after you write like 4/3j, you could just multiply both sides by 3, which is what I did.
Okay, let me go back then. I'll go your way.
Okay.
See, if there is something easier, I'll follow that. Okay. So now 2f plus 40, multiply both sides by 3, she's saying, which is good, right? 3j plus 60, right? Now f is equal to 2j, right? When you substitute the 2j in here, j will be equal to 20. After you substitute j will be equal
No,
to,
it'll be 4j. It will be 4j.
it'll be 4j, it'll be j will be equal to
No,
j.
2f times 2. If you substitute 2j into f, it will be 4j, not
Oh yeah,
j.
okay, 4j. 4j will be equal to 4j will be 4j minus 3j is 1j, j equal to 20, right?
Yeah, that part's right.
Yeah, j will be equal to 20. Now, j is 20, f will be equal to 40. Any questions, guys?
No.
Can I move on?
Wait, so
Yeah.
then you would have to like plus 20 years on both sides, right? And you get your answer.
I think I skipped and you're all off. Hold on. See, it is f is equal to 2j. I'm substituting that in here. Make sense? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now subtract 3j, subtract 3j, j plus 40 equal to 60, j equal to 20. So, Swarit, are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay. So now don't forget to add that 20. After 20 years means it's 20 years later, right? How about this? First, you're going to define your variables. Define your variable. Did you get it? Ashwin, did you write equations, Ashwin?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good to know. Okay.
Should I send them?
It would be nice if I can see the equations
Uh-huh.
because I want to see equations. So how did you define the variables? Consecutive even numbers, right? So how to define the variables? The numbers are,
I just did like,
go ahead,
yeah, I did like that. Mhm.
x plus 4, right? Or
Yeah.
the other easier way to do this is x minus 2, x plus 2.
Okay.
Make sense?
Mhm.
So when you think about this, twice the first is 20 more than the second. Twice the first means it has to be inside parenthesis. Twice the first should be 20 more than the second. 2x minus 4 will be equal to x plus 20. X will be equal to 24. So 2 less, 2 more. Sorry. 22, 26. Dia, did you get it, Dia?
Yeah.
Okay. Sham, you're on a roll. Good job. Johan, where are we, Johan?
I get it.
Get it, okay. Swarit, how about you?
Yeah, I actually got it, and then that.
Anish, if you switch off the video, then the accountability is completely gone.
I understand it.
You understand it, but I need the video to be on.
Okay, I will get my hat.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you said that you're not going to have the video on, right? Okay, but then I would like to have the video on. It's important.
Yeah,
Okay, take your time, but then you have to somehow come on, right?
I go to my hat and come back.
Okay, let's go ahead. Otherwise, let mom message me. That is also fine with me. Okay, let's go ahead. How about, let's try this one. 1 second, guys. Okay, how about this? Maybe I didn't go to very hard problems though. Okay, how about this? This one is an easy one, guys. I really want everybody to answer. I'll give you time. This one is an easier one. Anish, thank you, Anish. Mom just pinged me. I'm fine with you having the video off, Amma.
Okay. I'm back.
Sum is 68 and whose difference is 22. Good job, Sham. 23. Ritisha, Vishnuram, I'm not going to ask you equations, which is still okay.
Oh,
Ashwin,
do you want the equation? Because
it's
I
okay. No, not fine.
Priyanti,
Yama,
for me it says chat disabled.
no. See, Zoom has released a new
Oh,
version. Okay, go to the top left corner, blue color button.
now I got it. Now I got it.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Johan, I'll wait for your answer, Johan. Anish, I'll wait for your. Vidyut, is that it? How did you do that?
I just
Whose sum is 68? 70 and 2 add up to 68?
wait, no.
Difference,
No. Oh,
difference is 22. Vidyut, are you going to NSF Nationals?
um I don't think so
Okay.
because I'm in India.
Okay, I got it. Oh, then you'll miss for science as well.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's good, Swarit. Vidyut. Really? How did you do that? See, Vidyut, it's still incorrect, right? Difference is 22. Is the difference 22?
Different.
Did you write equations?
Yeah, I did.
What were the equations? Tell me.
X plus y equals 68.
Uh-huh.
X minus y equals 72.
72?
Oh, 22. Oh, that's where I messed up.
See?
I sent
Yeah.
my answer.
Yes, Anish. I will check yours, Amma. I just
Yeah,
saw.
let me just do it.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Did you write Johan, did you have the equations? Did you solve?
Yeah, I'm sending it, man.
Okay, good. Okay. See, guys, so when you look at it in here, when you see plus and minus y, directly you can cancel that off. You're going to add both the equations. That gives you 90 x equal to 45. When x equal to 45, y will be equal to, just plug in here. If you plug in there, 68 minus 45, which is a 23. Okay, this one is an easy one of the lot. Okay, good to see, Anish. Your equations help me a lot. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I wanted to give you one or two more questions, but see, this week I'll work. I don't know. Yeah, let's not go to the difficult ones now. Okay, let's do the easier ones. Okay. Okay, how about this? Okay, how about this? This one is on the easy side. Okay. There are some harder questions which I'll definitely solve. How about this? 90 in
Miss Priya, you're muted.
thanks, Ma. I got two answers. Correct, Ritisha. Vidyut, did you write equations?
Yeah.
Good job, Anish. Very nice to see your equations. Did you understand that writing the equation part, Anish?
Yeah.
Okay, good. 96 golf balls were picked up at the driving range and placed into two buckets. Okay. Okay, one bucket. Okay, bucket one, bucket two. Those bucket one, bucket two tells number of golf balls in bucket one, number of golf balls in bucket two. Now, 96 golf balls. So both the buckets added up to 92. One bucket has 28 more golf balls. So let's say B1, bucket 1 had it. So I'm going to plug this in here. That's all. 96 will be equal to B2 plus B2 plus 28. So 2B2 plus 28 equal to 96. So 96 minus 28, it must be 6. So So number of balls in bucket 2 will be equal to 34. Any questions?
Auntie,
Ah,
to check my work, I did like another method too.
you did it. What was that, Vidyut?
So I just checked it by doing 96 minus 28,
Uh-huh.
which was 68, and then
Mm.
I do wait, no, it was I messed
Yeah,
wait,
Sham, very good explanations.
it was 68,
Uh-huh.
and then I did half of that, which is 34,
34.
and then I did 96 minus 34, which is 62.
Which is good. 62. Why 62? Uh, Some
96 minus 34.
okay, is 68. Okay, got it. That's fine. Okay, let me try to bring up a harder problem now. Let's see where we are on that. Okay. So you're able to solve simple ones nicely, all of you. Swarit, are you able to get it through?
Yeah, I finished it. I just forgot to send my answer.
Okay. How many of you know that speed equal to distance by time? How many of you know that speed equal to distance by time? Okay. Vishnu Ram, do you know that speed equal to distance by time? That comes from science.
Yeah.
Okay. How many of you, Anish, do you know that speed equal to distance by time?
Yeah.
Shyam, do you know?
Yeah.
Johan?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's try this one. Shall we go to a harder problem? What do you all think?
Yeah.
I really want to do this by myself, okay? First, let me show you, then you can do, okay? I really want to follow some process which is so good, guys. You'll never make mistakes. Let me solve this by myself, okay? Then you can, there'll be so many variations in these type of problems, and those are tricky that you can solve. For now, I'll solve. A freight train starts from Los Angeles and heads for Chicago at 40 miles per hour. 2 hours later, a passenger train leaves the same station for Chicago, traveling 60 miles per hour. How long before the passenger train overtakes the freight train? Now, let's consider what are the two main things talked about: freight train, passenger train. Okay. First, let's put meaning for these problems, right? Particularly speed, distance, time problems. Or there might be problems related to what other problems? Let's say boat sailing upstream, downstream. Boat is going upstream. Boat is coming downstream. See, everything is related to some sort of transportation. Do you see? Boat is traveling upstream, downstream. Or a flight is going against the wind or along with the wind. Everything about speed, distance, time, right? You really need to understand what are the first scenarios. First, freight train, passenger train. Now, freight train travels from Los Angeles to Chicago. So I will write speed, distance, and time as my columns. Okay, I want to form a table from the given data. Okay, at 40 miles per hour. So freight train speed is 40 miles per hour. See, the unit is quite important, guys. Sometimes they confuse you with miles per hour, miles per minute. 2 hours later, passenger train leaves. So let's say the time taken by the freight train is T. Time taken by the passenger train is what? 2 hours later, right? So T minus 2. Okay. Leaves the same station for Chicago at 60 miles per hour. They're asking how long before the passenger train overtakes the freight train. Then what is the same? The distance traveled by both is the same. How do you find the distance traveled? If speed equal to distance by time, how do you find the distance? How do you find the distance? Speed equal to distance divided by time. So what is
That's
distance?
speed times time.
Speed times time. So how I can I say this as 40t? Can I say that this is 60 times t minus 2? Now, when they are going to overtake means they both, you have to find the time at which both their distances are equal. If both of their distances are equal, from the table, what and all I can equate? Can I equate 40t with 60 times t minus 2? Then only the distance is equal. That is the point. One is going to overtake the other. 40t equal to 60t minus 120. 20t equal to 120. T will be equal to 6. Am I making sense?
Mm.
Hmm? So this sort of problem, right? If you're not going to do this table, right? Uh-uh, it's going to be a lot harder as we move up. Particularly why I am emphasizing on the table. Did we do it right? Something feels wrong to me. Hold on. Mm, 40 miles per hour freight train. Passenger train leaves the same station for Chicago at 60 miles per hour. Okay. Now, uh, oh, okay. That's correct. So, so basically T is 6. That means how long before the passenger train overtakes the freight train? That means the freight train travels for 6 hours, the passenger train travels for 4 hours. That is the time at which the passenger train overtakes the freight train. How many of you did not get it? Please raise your hand using the raise hand button for this one. If you did not understand, please raise your hand using the raise hand button. Now is the time. There'll be, see, why am I emphasizing on the table? I was asking you, right? Because as you move into algebra 2, right, the same table you'll use with many complicated variables. That would become very hard, particularly when you go to rational equation solving. If you follow the same table, things will go so smooth in algebra 2. So right from now on, try to form tables if the word problem is really hard. Particularly for speed distance time, definitely you'll have to have tables, and speed distance time problems are so important. Now, Vishnuram, which part did you not understand?
So when you were setting up the table, I didn't understand how you. I don't know. I just didn't understand how you set up the table. Like,
Oh, okay. So you did not understand how I set up the table. Okay. Speed, distance, time are going to be the columns. You see what I mean? Huh? Meaning,
yeah, but I understand that part. I just don't understand like what you put in the table.
in the table, yeah, speed for the freight train, you're going to just fill in the cells, right? See, freight train and passenger train are the rows. So, speed of the freight train, you're going to put it here. Speed of the passenger train, you're going to put it here. Correct?
Yeah. So after that part,
Yeah.
so
So,
if you don't have data for something for on like for instance for this problem we didn't have the data for distance.
correct.
So
And they're asking how long the train takes to overtake. When somebody overtakes the other, what is the same? Speed is the same. No. Time
no.
is the same. No. But the distance they travel is the same. Correct?
Yeah.
So, but we don't have the expression for distance in this problem. Can I derive that expression from both? See, distance equal to speed times time. So 40t. I can use a
Oh
single
yeah.
variable.
Oh yeah, I get it now.
Okay. Similarly, for this as well, a single variable t can be used 60 times t minus 2. Then I can equate the distance, because when I equate the distance, it's only single variable, single equation. I can solve for it and find out. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now we'll solve more. Meaning, see, this is the start, right? It takes time. That's fine. How about this? Mm, you're all solving easy problems. Speed, distance, time we can do. Easy. See, these are the easier versions of speed, distance, time problems, though. Let's see. Okay, how about this? You try, then I'll try this one. You try to come up with the equations, okay? Meaning this one, only thing is you'll have to think a little bit to write the equation. It's not any new concept or anything. Let me see. Ashwin, do you want me to make it bigger? Looks like you're looking at it. I don't want you to look at it. It should be easy
No,
for you.
it's fine. It's
I can
good.
make it. No, I can make it bigger. I feel bad wait.
I just zoomed in from my screen, my
Oh,
side.
okay. That's good. That's good. See, I did not know that you can do. Good.
Okay.
Go ahead. Anish, you will write the equation and then solve, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yes, Priya, I sent my answer.
Oh, chat. Okay. I'm looking at the participants. I was wondering where is the answer. Yes. Let me see, ma. Mm. This is number 4. What is going on? I don't know. Wait. Kids, should it not be bigger number?
I put it through my equations and it got
Plugged, huh?
7750.
Oh, okay. But see, the second one seems right though. Then the first one has to be smaller, huh? Let me quickly understand the question. I don't have the solution, so let me see. For 6 times as many general admission.
Should I use my equations?
Ratisha, I know that's right. You don't have to. Sometimes I would feel you don't have to. That is right, Ratisha. Diya, good job, ma. Diya, you're also writing equations, right, Diya?
Yeah.
Don't guess and check. You are all in algebra. Okay, guessing and checking by putting numbers, all that can happen in pre-algebra. But here you will have to write equations and properly solve. Done? Did you do? Mm. Can I help you guys? Yes. Now, Anish, did you write the equations?
Yes.
Okay, can I help you write or you wrote?
Can you help me write?
Yeah, sure. Johan, how about you? Johan?
I think I made the equation. I just need to solve it now.
Okay, so I will let you have the time. Okay, I cannot pressurize you. That's fine. Slowly you do. Anish, do you need help writing the equation?
Yes.
Okay, Vidyut, how about you?
I I got the equation, but I'm still solving.
Okay, you solve. I'm going to let you have your time. Swarit, how about you?
I'm confused with the word and problem.
Okay, so writing the equations?
Yeah.
Okay, let me help you. Let me help those of you who are having tough time writing the equation. Tickets for a baseball game, C, were $2.5 general. Okay. Okay, let me call it as a G. Okay. Whereas 0.50K, I have the equation. Okay. So that denotes one general ticket price. Let's be very clear. Okay. One kid's price. Okay, if there were six times as many general admission tickets. See, now there was, okay, this is the price. Okay, now I don't want a variable for it. Right now, they've given the value. So let me write this out as this. Now, number of general admission tickets. General tickets equal to G, number of kids tickets is what? K. If you have this, what I can do about it, it's here it is. If there were six times as many general admission tickets, that means kids tickets were less, right? So 6 times K equal to G, right? Now, total receipts were 7750. What is the 7750? Total dollars. So because of the kids tickets, number of K were the kids tickets, right? So K times 0.5, number of kids tickets times the price of each ticket will account for the total amount contributed by the kids, right? Now next one, G was 6K tickets, right? Or I can say G times 2.5. Now we know G equal to 6K. So I can write 6 times 2.5 times K, right? This is 0.5K. Now what is 6 times 2.5? 15K. Now 15.5K will be equal to 7750. Now K will be equal to 77,500 divided by 155. This is what I'm getting. I don't know. Okay, let's see. So that would be
500.
500, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is 500. So number of kids ticket is 500. And then when you substitute that here, number of general admission ticket is 3000. Anish, Swarit, did you both follow?
Yes.
Okay, Vidyut, did you get it?
Yeah, I was just doing, I got the 500
Mm.
and I was gonna put it in, but
Substitute.
then you were
Okay, that's
solving,
good. That's
but
good.
you were solving it. So I was just looking to see if
Okay.
I got it.
Anish, I didn't hear from you. What happened? Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Can I stop here, guys?
Okay.
I know some of the problems right now are difficult for you. Some of them are easy. So why don't we go ahead with it? For Alchemist, can I give you one more week for you to screen share and show me a couple of topics? pick 2 topics, okay? Pick 2 topics means equations in disguise. Equations in disguise. You want me to tell the pick 2 topics. Last, what was the topic that we chose? Anybody has it? Do you remember?
I'll check. I finished it, so I'll just check.
Priyanti,
Yama.
I couldn't do alchemist since I was traveling.
Yeah, next week. See, that's what I'm not asking you to screen share now. Okay, take 1 more week.
Linear equations in disguise and solving two variable systems.
Okay. Those 2 topics, whatever is already assigned, it's in the Google Classroom, right? Can we achieve 99 for next week?
Okay.
Those 2, which you're already working on. I'm not asking you to start from another new topic. Whatever is already assigned there, where equations in disguise and 2 variable systems. Okay, those 2 topics, please note down, guys. Whatever is already assigned in Google Classroom, let's achieve a 99. Okay, other than that, tomorrow give me some time, because I don't want to go with the book. We really need something else before we get into the book. Okay, book is steep. So let me go ahead and give you more problems from some other books for 2 variable whatever we discussed, right? Similar word problems I will post as homework. Do that and come back. Then we'll go with the book. Any questions? Okay, guys. If you don't have any questions, we'll log off.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Priyanti.
See you all
Bye.
next week. Bye, Ma.
Okay,
Enjoy
bye.
your day.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
Bye, guys. Good night to you all. Bye, guys. Did you have a question, Johan or Ashwin?
Yeah, for the alchemist thing, how am I supposed to do that?
Oh, can you share screen, log in and show?
Okay. Um,
Ashwin, did you have a question?
can you see?
Yeah, go to resources, alchemist, play, resources,
Here?
alchemist, play, alchemist, play, play. Click on play.
I did.
Yeah, change focus.
And this one?
Algebra, yes. Yeah, so you have to go to, yeah, set equations in disguise. Yeah, linear equations in disguise. Yeah.
Here.
Yep. Go there, go there. Anywhere. Go. Those 2 should come in blue. Play around, Johan. Yeah, set it, play. Click on play.
Okay.
No, you did not set it.
Okay.
Change. No, change focus again.
Okay. I'll just go.
No. Change focus, Johan. Click on change.
Oh, so then I just click.
Click on it properly. Click nicely. Yeah. Click.
Set
Yeah,
new.
now set new focus. Good job. You got it?
Yeah.
So you keep doing this till you attain 99.
Okay.
Make sense? You're good?
Mhm.
See you, ma.